This is Realme C53 and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. Firstly, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store. At the search bar, input the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can tap the install button and now just wait for the app to be downloaded and installed respectively. Then launch the app once it is ready. Tap the continue button. Onwards you can enable notifications or just skip this step. The same goes for setting Opera as your default browser. And at this final page you can either customize the data collection preferences or simply allow everything that the Opera needs, or at the very least asks for. And that will be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.